could take few minutes every time. I know I need a space, but you've been running in my mind as of late. I've gotta ask, do you think about us before you're coming off? Can you sit down and just listen? Gotta get this off my chest. Am I the only one with feelings that never left? I know I messed up, I was so insecure. Maybe that's the fact that you weren't even sure. But whatever we went through, our love turned in anger. It's killing me inside, cause now we're just strangers. Tell me honestly, am I the one you're missing? Do you wish it was me? Every time that you're with her, am I in a dream where I still got your heart? And you come running back the moment I will call you. Now we be different, clearly make it better. I never should have said we shouldn't be together. So am I wrong? I hope I'm getting through to you, cause what we had